All right, welcome. We are live. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome. Shiba Inu forecast. NFTs surging today. The EV stocks are back. A lot to get into. A lot of things going on here today in the markets, in the crypto markets. A lot of the EV stocks are back, which is great to see. How about the NFTs today taking a big move up today? Look at Engine Coin, who we just talked about. Hey, what's going on, Jake? De Silva, how you guys doing? Welcome back to the stream. Hopefully you're having a great one. Jets, what's going on, man? What do we think of SafeCat? SafeCat. I don't know anything about that, man. What's SafeCat, Jets? Is this another meme coin, or what do we got? How about these NFTs today, guys? NFTs surging. CHZ and ENG, two NFTs that we talked about yesterday on stream. And of course, look at today, up 36% on Engine Coin just in the 24-hour period. CHZ up 13%. Great day for the NFT space. How about VeChain making some great moves today? Speaking of VeChain, guys, I'm going to have a video coming out tomorrow on VeChain talking about where I think it could go in the future. Some big price predictions on VeChain too. So I've got that video coming out for tomorrow on VeChain. Some big price predictions. New token launch, not promoting, not a part of it, just getting a feel for it. All right, Jets. Appreciate that, though. I'll keep that on the radar. SafeCat. Okay. Decentraland making some nice moves today, up 6%. But a lot of the NFT space up today, which is good to see. How's everybody doing? Hayden, what's going on, man? Welcome back to the stream, brother. Bitcoin and Ethereum down a little bit right now, but nothing major. Down 2% each. Look at how similar their charts are. Look at Bitcoin last 7 days. Look at the 7-day chart on Bitcoin, 7-day chart on Ethereum. Look at Cardano. All these charts are very similar, like this V-shaped recovery we're seeing after the crash, which is good to see. Very good to see. Make sure you guys smash that like button on your way in. Welcome. Another late night edition on the live stream. So we're going to get into SHIB. We're going to talk about what we think about where it's heading. We're going to talk about some EV stocks tonight too, because the EV stocks have bounced back. Maybe some of the semiconductors, that shortage that we had ongoing for such a long time, being shored up a little bit right now, and able to ramp up production again in the electronic vehicle space. Another big space that I'm pretty bullish on. We're going to talk about that. Good evening, Rob. What's going on, brother? Bought Doge at 33. Nice day, Silva. I like it, man. I was looking at that today. I almost added on to my position because that's about where my average price is right now on Doge. So that's great, man. But how about this, guys? I mentioned this in a previous video. I want to bring this back up because the trend right now, so let's take a look at the Shiba Inu chart real quick, actually. Let's pull that back up. So we're sitting in number 32 market cap right now. Okay, we've been bouncing around there for a while, but if we take a look at the chart right now, it's doing some consolidating, which is actually a good sign. If we take a look at this tweet here, okay? And we're going to get to that in just a minute. So let's take a look at the 7-day. So taking a look at the 7-day here, you'll see pretty stable, right? Kind of consolidating, a little up, a little down, but no major moves here. Volume's been pretty, steady. Now we take a look at this. This has kind of been the trend that we've seen so far with SHIB. There was a spike in January, drops 90%, consolidates for a number of days, right? Just about 4 weeks. Big spike up next, okay? Then we fast forward, spike in March, drops 70%, consolidates for roughly the same amount of days. Next spike, way bigger, right? 1,900%. And we had a spike in April, Drop 77%, consolidates for 16 days. Next spike, big move upwards, 2,800%. Spike in May, drop 66%, consolidates for question mark. Next spike, question mark. So if this trend continues, guys, we could be starting a nice consolidation pattern. How long we'll stay here? You know, here it was a little bit less, but we still saw the big spike. It's a little over 2 weeks. So, I mean, honestly, if this is boring the next few days, if, you know, the next few weeks even, if this is boring in terms of, you know, not a lot of spikes down or up, I mean, look at the 1 day here. Really flat, really. I mean, you know, down a little bit right now, but on its way back up. If this starts consolidating, this could be a good thing in terms of the historical trends here that we've seen before that next big push forward. So I like what I'm seeing right now in terms of the charts. I know, you know, we're not up today. We're down a little bit, almost 9%, but, you know, we're fluctuating in a nice window here. We're not really going too high, too low. Sitting still, number 32 in market cap, which is good. Okay. So I'm really looking at this and seeing, you know, how long can we consolidate here, and what would this next spike look like, especially if we get another catalyst, right? Like a Shiba swap, you know, news. We've heard some rumblings of Robinhood, Coinbase, but guys, a lot of that speculation, okay? A lot of that speculation, so we can't take that as, you know, truth, if you will, right? We have to take that with a grain of salt and understand that a lot of speculation out there. Could it happen? Sure. You know, but I think one thing we're definitely waiting for to happen that we know, at least we have a good understanding that it should be coming soon, is Shiba swap, okay? That we do know. Consolidation is good. Yep, consolidation is good. Jake, what's going on? Any thoughts on crypto with AI, Singularity Net and Fetch AI? Interesting question, man. I think artificial intelligence, obviously a huge technology, going to be the future. Speaking of AI, Jake, that's why I love Tesla so much. Let's talk about Tesla a little bit. Welcome into the stream, guys. If you're new here, smash that like button for me. We talk crypto, we talk Shiba Inu, we talk NFTs, all things crypto, and then we also get into some stocks as well. So with Tesla making a nice resurgence today, guys, up 14, up 2%, up $14 today. This is in the 1 year, actually. Take that back. Let's look at the 1 day. That's what I wanted to look at. Okay, so that is the 1 day. That's what I thought. Okay. Yeah, up about 2.5%, give or take. Take a look at the 5 day. Just a nice, steady upward trend here. 1 month's going to look a little ugly because everything came crashing down. But this 5 day, things are coming back up here for the EV space. This thing was down in the 560 range. I know because I bought back in to Tesla. I'm a big Tesla bull, definitely. We take a look at the 1 year chart on Tesla. You know, we got all the way up into the 800s, 883 here at the tip of the iceberg. And right now, you know, all the way back down into the 600s. But, you know, how I feel about Tesla is if you can get Tesla under 600, I really think it's going to pay off nicely in the future. I think this could go to $1,500 in the next 3 years. I really do. And some people would say that's a bearish prediction. So we'll have to see. But big fan of Tesla. And there was a split in there. Exactly, Jets. Exactly. Take a look at the 5 year. I mean, this is just massive growth. Look at back in 2020, where this thing, back in February 2020, was $160, and this thing just went parabolic, or to the moon, as they say, right? But 52-week high, 900, so it actually did get up to 900. 52-week low, 157, so you can see how much there's been some fluctuation there. But yeah, big fan of Tesla. Also a big fan of NIO, okay? NIO, one of Tesla's competitors. They've seen some nice gains here today. Also looking nice in the 5 day. So NIO, you know, they're getting the semiconductors back. They're starting to make some progress. They're going to roll out more and more deliveries now that they're able to, get back to their regular scheduled program, if you will, get everybody back to work. And, I think the sky's the limit for NIO. So if you're looking at Tesla and you're saying, well, it's so expensive right now that I don't know if I can pop back in there. I can't get as many, shares as I would like to. Look toward NIO. Maybe NIO is a good one to go after too, because, well, I think Tesla is always going to be number one in my opinion. I think there is definitely space for a couple big players, right? And I think NIO is definitely going to be that big player. This is the one that's been backed by the Chinese government. They've got a lot of money from the government in China, and they're the highest market cap of all the EVs in China. So you've got NIO, XPeng, Li are the big three. NIO is my favorite of the three, no question. I'm heavily invested into NIO and Tesla because I think the world is going to go more electric. I think by 2030, I'm going to be pretty happy with both of those outcomes. So that's kind of where I'm heading on the stock side. A lot of it is in the EV space, clean energy space, actually sports gambling space. I think that's primed for a breakout in the next 5 to 10 years as more and more states legalize gambling. We're seeing a lot of states do that right now. Virginia recently legalized sports gambling. They've got DraftKings billboards. I was just driving through Virginia not too long ago. They've got DraftKings billboards all over the place. I mean, just painted everywhere on the highways. So I think that space is only going to get bigger and bigger. So I like to look at what is big now, but only going to get bigger, right? And I think the EV space, sports gambling, clean energy, those three areas I'm heavily invested in on the stock side of things. So, guys, I wanted to interject that a little bit with crypto because I don't only invest in crypto. I like crypto, love it, right? Definitely invested in it, but also invested in the stock market as well. So I want to interject some of those opinions and just some ideas there, Hemodi Gaming, what's up, man? How you doing, brother? Hope all is well. Hope all is well. Simon Says, what's up, brother? How you doing, man? I'm VA Sco. What's up, man? What's going on? What's good, G? We're just talking about some stocks that we like right now. Some good news coming out of NIO and Tesla today. Manufacturing starting to ramp back up. So, Cameron Rose, what's going on, bro? Hey guys, hit that like button for me. That would be awesome. Let's get some good people in here. Add some more people to the community. How you guys feeling tonight? What's on your mind? What's going on? We're talking SHIB. We're talking NFTs. NFTs surging today, guys. Making some nice run ups. So let's go back over here. Take a look at NFTs, and you'll see a lot of NFTs are green. A lot more green in the NFT space today than the entire market. A lot more green. So if we go out here and take a look at what's up the highest, look at this out of nowhere. ERC20 now up 40% in the 24-hour period. Engine Coin making a nice run up today. So CHZ, one of the ones we talked about the other night, they're up 16%. So a lot of assets in the NFT space doing well today. Decentraland, one of my personal favorites. I love the idea, up 8%, back up to 90 cents. Decentraland could be heading back up toward its all-time high, which, let's see where that is actually. 67th in market cap right now. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Mana, all-time high is 163. Interestingly enough, it was set like a month ago, so that's when everything was rolling nicely. It was at $1.63. So, yeah, doing some nice, having some nice days in a row here is Mana. So take a look at the 7-day. They got way down here. Nice V-shaped recovery here. So they were at their low point here on the 23rd. 49 cents was Mana. And then look at the nice run up here since, since about middle of the afternoon 3 days ago, this has just had a nice run up. So really nice to see. I know a few of you jumped into Decentraland after us kind of chatting about it, and I'm sure you guys doing some outside research on it. I love the idea. Cardano making a nice V-shaped recovery, trying to break through that pesky 165, 168 level that it's always seems to be fluctuating at least in my mind. Dogecoin's just been hovering around 33 cents to 35 cents to 36. Just, pretty stable right now. Interestingly enough, somebody mentioned this, I think, in chat last night. Thought it was a good point. Elon mentioned something about Doge, and the price really didn't jump, which is interesting. Kind of stabilized, but I don't know if that's necessarily a bad thing either, though. People didn't sell off either, right? Doing good. Good to hear it, man. Good to hear it, Simon. Eric, what's going on? MTA is a gold-related stock that pays dividends as an FYI. Nice. Nice, brother. I appreciate that. MTA, okay. Gold-related stock. Okay. So it follows the price of gold. Nice. Cameron Rose, other than crypto, made some big money on option calls with Peloton. OMG. Yeah, a lot of people did, huh? I'm not a big options trader, Cameron, but it can be risky business. But I'm more of a long-term investor on the stock side and the crypto side. But long-term, man, I love the EV space. Tesla, NIO. I've got some Fisker. I've got some Li Auto. And then I've got a bunch of other ones related to EVs too. So I've got ChargePoint, Plug Power, which are both charging solutions / stations for the EV industry. I've got IDEX. I got in there pretty early. What else do I have in the EV space? Quite a few. I just really love the entire space. Did I say Fisker? I think I did. Fisker, Lee. Oh, and CCIV Lucid. Excuse me. CCIV Lucid actually came out with some great news recently. So let's go over. If you guys don't know about CCIV Lucid, another EV was a SPAC. It was actually, it was really hyped up. It had a big run up and then crashed down. But yeah, if we look up Lucid, it should pop right up because I follow them. Lucid Motors, they're based out of Arizona. They're going to be a luxury EV industry where I really think the sky's the limit for this company too. Once they get rolling with their manufacturing, but man, I think the sky's the limit for Lucid too. I think they've got a bright future. So impossibly intuitive. The Lucid user experience makes a global debut at 10 a.m. tomorrow. So actually 10 a.m. today. Introducing the Lucid user experience, crafted with humanity in mind. Tune into the full reveal on the Lucid Motors YouTube channel, starting right now. So they actually rolled this out today, the global debut of the user experience inside the car, which I got to go back and check that out actually and see how that went. But Lucid Motors, one that's pretty cheap right now, was a SPAC, and I think could have a really bright future. Now, this is one I'm holding for a long time, guys. I'm planning on holding this to 2030 minimum. All of my EV stocks, and a lot of my crypto stocks, right? Got in a lot of them in 2020 and planning on holding them, for 10 years. So, Lucid Motors, CCIV. I'll drop these in chat actually. How about that? CCIV, of course, the big one, Tesla and NIO. Holding until 2030. So those three right there, holding until 2030. And then, a lot of the other ones related to the space, like the charging stations, planning on holding those for the long term too. I think we're going to need charging stations and solutions in the future. Simon Matic is dropping. Yeah, it's down a little bit, but that's okay. I mean, we were parabolic these last couple of days. So, we're pressing up, back down into the 197 range now. So selling off a little bit, but still on the 7-day, up 20%. A lot of things down right now. A lot of things slightly up, slightly down. But still, I'm excited where Polygon's going to go, Simon. I'm still a huge fan of Polygon for the future. Definitely a big fan of Polygon. So here today, price change down 6%, down to, what, 13 cents, 14 cents. But you know, volatility is the name of the game, brother. You know how quickly things can change. But long term, I love it, man. Under $2 a good buy. I think so. I mean, under $1 is a great buy, right? We actually got that opportunity. If we take a look at the 7-day, it might be encapsulated there still. Yeah, you know, we got down in here, 78. This is where I got back in, 78, 79, something like that. And man, it was beautiful, huh? Actually, the 19th we saw a big sell-off too. So if we take this out to the 1 month, you'll see. Okay, yeah. So this was the big downturn. It actually took a few days later, but I bought back in somewhere in like the 78, 79 cents range. Before that, I had got in at 88 cents. So yeah, I agree with you. I think under 2 is a good buy. Under 1 is a great buy. Under 1 is a great buy. All-time high is what, like 260? Is that right? Yeah, 268. So yeah, I mean, sky's the limit for Polygon, I think, especially when Ethereum 2.0 comes out. I think then we're going to see Polygon, along with Ethereum, make massive moves. And that's why I own both of them. That's why they're both my highest conviction crypto assets right now, and also the most money that I have in the crypto asset space is Ethereum, number 1, Polygon, number 2. Okay, that's not by accident. I think they're going to work well together. I think they're going to grow together and help each other succeed, much like what we're trying to do on the channel. So, Hamilton Gaming, why the XRP didn't go up where it should be like last couple weeks? Maybe just because a lot of the controversy, surrounding Ripple, and I think there's just a lot of people that are hesitant, including myself, to get into XRP right now. Maybe that changes once the, I call it gray cloud, moves away and then there's sunny skies. Because right now you can't get it on Coinbase either, which that really hurts XRP. The fact that you can't buy the asset right now on Coinbase. Coinbase is the number 1 place to buy and sell cryptocurrency in the United States. So that really hurts XRP. Okay. If that weren't the case, perhaps we'd see a lot of different movement, I think, right? Jake G, why not Bitcoin? I have some Bitcoin too. And I'm going to be honest with you, Jake. I moved a lot of my Bitcoin into Ethereum a few months ago. I was about 50-50 Bitcoin Ethereum, and now I'm about 80-20. If I just take the money that I have in Bitcoin and Ethereum, I was roughly 50-50. Now I'm 80-20 Ethereum Bitcoin. I just think Bitcoin's going to do well too. Don't get me wrong. I mean, I'm not saying Bitcoin is done, and people will say it's dead and it's never going to be what it was supposed to be because all these other things are coming. No, I think it still is destined for greatness. I mean, don't get it twisted. I just think Ethereum is going to grow at a much more rapid rate. I think the rate of return is going to be higher in the next 10 years with Ethereum opposed to Bitcoin. So I want most of my money over there. And again, that's a personal preference. I could be wrong, but I think there's a lot of people who share my opinion. So we'll see. What do you think? What do you think, Jake? Kenneth, Shiba Inu to the moon. Nice, bro. Most staff, me too. I've got nice. Update your Mac OS. Yeah, I think I do. I think I have to do that GTR. Why, did you see a notification? Probably get a notification on there, huh? What else do we got here going on? How's everybody doing tonight? How's everybody doing? If you guys could smash that like button for me, that'd be awesome. It doesn't take that much. It's not that much effort for you to just, hit the like button real quick, come on right back and hang out. Would appreciate it. So we were talking about this right when we came on, guys. SHIB, the cyclical nature. We're waiting to see, if this consolidation happens, because if this follows this trend, we could be setting up for our next spike in terms of the chart analysis here. So, and it's hard to say because we don't have a ton of history, right? But the history we do have setting up pretty nicely here. Setting up pretty nicely. We had the spike in May, dropped 66%. It'll be interesting. It'll be interesting to watch here what happens and what this next spike potentially looks like. You like ETH more than Bitcoin too for its practical use? Yeah, exactly, right? It just seems like it has more utility. And, I think Bitcoin, in my opinion, will be essentially digital gold. It'll be a, saved and secure asset that you can have, on the sidelines essentially, where it'll continue to grow, right? Simply from supply and demand, because there's only 21 million Bitcoin, and all the Bitcoin are supposed to be mined by, I believe, 2040, somewhere around there. So especially if you're planning on holding until then, I think you're going to see the returns, right? I just wonder if you're going to see the returns at the rate of Ethereum, because I think Ethereum just has so much room to grow, right? I mean, with the NFT space, with Ethereum 2.0 coming, with all of the other assets that run on the Ethereum platform that are just getting started, right? I look at Ethereum as the highway that runs DeFi, right? It's like the main highway. Then you've got all these other assets, right? Like Polygon, for example. And all of these other assets that run on the Ethereum highway, all those are cars that are just driving down the highway. Ethereum is the highway, right? That's kind of how I like to look at it, because I think Ethereum is that. I think it's the future of DeFi. The proof of staking, going away from the proof of work model, right? Which is terrible on the environment. Which Elon, of course, has talked about that lately. I just think the future's so bright. There's so many things to look forward to with Ethereum, and we're already seeing parabolic moves upwards, right? So pretty recently, if you hadn't checked out this video on my YouTube channel, I put one out about Bitcoin and Ethereum and why I thought Ethereum could eventually take over Bitcoin in market capitalization. And, I talked about just like this last year, just this past year, you look at the gains for Bitcoin, it was like 330%, which is great. I mean, it's fantastic, right? But the gains on Ethereum this year are like 1,200%. So I know it's just 1 year. I know it's just a snapshot here, but you have to consider, like, where are we going with Ethereum by 2025 if we're seeing that much of a disparity right now, right? And you have to ask yourself this question too: how much more could Bitcoin evolve and develop in its current form, right? Versus how much can Ethereum evolve and develop in its current form, right? So I talked a little bit about that massive Bitcoin and Ethereum price predictions. In this video here, I talk a little bit about how they can both, they're both going to have a bright future, right? But then in this one here, I just put out 6 hours ago. It's called the flippening theory, and it talks about, will Ethereum overtake Bitcoin? And spoiler alert, I think it will, but I'll give you some more insight to that. If you haven't checked out that video, make sure you do, and drop a comment in there. Let me know what you think too about that potentially happening, in the next 5-10 years from now. So let's look up CCIV Lucid real quick, see where they are at too. These are 3 EV stocks that I really love, guys, and EV stocks making a nice push back upwards. So yeah, Lucid a little bit more all over the place on the 5-day chart, but let's take it out a month. They didn't really fall off as much, nor did they, they've really been consolidating nicely here. But yeah, with the SPAC, they merged with their the SPAC, the merger. When that was announced, they spiked up here, and I held through this. I didn't sell it off. I had quite a few shares too. I could have sold way up top here and probably bought back in down here. But when I initially got into Lucid, it was somewhere in this range here, $10 to $13. I think I got in like 11 or 12 bucks or something like that. So they sold way off down to 27, down to 30. So I was still up on my initial, you know, initial investment. I was way up at this point, but I just let it ride. Of course, it came crashing down. But I really believe in CCIV, so I was okay with that. You know, I was okay with that because I'm holding this thing for the long term. So I like ETH more than Bitcoin too for its practical use. Yeah, for sure, Jake. I agree with you, man. Jeff Koski, 2 months ago, I bought 2 Ford call options. Today sold for. Nice, Jeff. That's awesome, brother. Congratulations, man. That's sweet. So I want to talk about Shiba Inu a little bit too, guys. So SHIB price forecast. SHIB looks to resume 50% rally. Shiba Inu price has drifted downwards since the May 24th breakout, finding support at the symmetrical triangle upper trend line. So a 4-hour close above the moving average would ignite a new rally of at least 50% from price at the time of writing. So they're talking about this nice, you know, consolidation here. Could be kind of gearing up for a breakout, and that's kind of what we were talking about here with this tweet, right? Still no news yet, any definitive news on Shiba Swap, so we're still waiting there. I know there's been a lot of rumors floating around about Coinbase, Robinhood. We really don't know anything yet on those. Hamady, don't forget to make a video about VET. It's coming out tomorrow, brother. It is coming out tomorrow, so I've got it scheduled to come out. Actually, hold on one sec. Let me tell you. I'll pull this over here for one sec. Go into my YouTube studio, and I'll tell you exactly when that thing's coming out tomorrow. Created the video today, so I'm excited about that one. VeChain. Let's see. Content. Bear with me for one sec, and then I will let you know when exactly that's coming out tomorrow. I think it's like 4:30 p.m. tomorrow Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, 4:30 tomorrow. That should be out. So there you go. VeChain video tomorrow, 4:30. So that should be a lot of fun. We'll definitely talk more about VeChain too. But I definitely wanted to get a video out there. You know, we do talk about it quite a bit here on stream. So VeChain had some nice movement today too, up 7%. A lot of people saying, you know, how high could this go in 2021? Will it go to $1? Armand, what's going on, brother? Appreciate you being here. Thank you, man. How high will it go in 2021? A lot of people are saying $1. $1 would be super ambitious, guys. If VeChain got to $1, that would be some parabolic movement. But, you know, 30 cents, is that out of the realm of possibilities? 35 cents? Maybe not. What's our all-time high? I think it's like 26 cents. 27 cents. Okay, all-time high is 27 cents. And yeah, be on the lookout for the video tomorrow because I talk about where I got into VeChain, what my thoughts are, how long I plan on holding it, a little bit of background on the company. Actually got the document still right down here that I created for the VeChain video that'll come out tomorrow. So there you go, Hamady. How about that? How about that for timing, brother? Mofo and Armand, welcome, brothers. Appreciate you guys, man. Yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get this army moving. Yeah, for sure. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Let's like and subscribe this thing up. Smash the like button. Let's push this out. YouTube algorithm, it out there to all kind of different people to join the community. Talking all things crypto, guys. If you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome. Really grateful for anybody new here. Also, all the returners. You guys rock. Appreciate you guys. So we're talking about some EV stocks today too, making some nice movement. CCIV, Lucid, Tesla, and NEO making some nice moves today. So here's some things on VET, actually. How about this? VeChain price stabilizes. VET projects 80% gain on the return of FOMO. So VeChain price broke out from a bullish formation on the 4-hour chart after a period of intense volatility that was heightened by 250% rebound off the May 19th crash lows. The developing breakout's in the early stages, but it is a remarkable turnaround after an 85% decline from the April high. So nice little resurgence on VeChain. We saw that today. How high can VeChain go? We'll have to wait and see, but I'm a believer in VeChain. I definitely hold some, and I'm going to hang on to it for quite a while. So Uniswap, how about Uniswap price prediction? Let's see here. Their price has seen a tremendous run up since the crash on May 23rd. Yeah, I guess there was a crash on the 19th and the 23rd, huh? Kind of two crashes, just depending on which asset you're talking about. But Uniswap price has rallied roughly 30% over the past 18 hours now. Fell short of producing a higher high above the recent swing. But a lot of people bullish on Uniswap as well. Of course, that's where you should get your Shiba Inu, right? Which we talked about right up here at the top. You know, this is something I'll bring to your attention too, especially if you're just jumping on stream. You know, this is something we're watching here. If history repeats itself, you know, we continue to consolidate here in May. We might be able to, you know, jump up with that next spike. And if this trend continues, you know, 430%, 1900, 2800, how about like 4,000%? That'd be nice, right? How about a 4,000% spike? That'd be nice. Can't wait for tomorrow, man. Thanks. No problem, Hamity. Yeah, that'll be coming out tomorrow, dude. No problem at all. And then I'll also have a Shiba Inu update tomorrow for you. VeChain price prediction coming out in the afternoon. And then on Friday, my plan is tomorrow to create a Chainlink price prediction. Of course, Link, one of my favorite assets. And Link had some nice positive movement too. So that's my plan for Friday, to have a Chainlink price prediction video. Talk a little bit about its platform, why I like it so much. Number 13 in market cap right now. Remember when Link was kind of hovering down here, and you know, it was like 18, 17, 18, and I said, you know, Link belongs in the top 10. I mean, Chainlink is, in my mind, a top 10 cryptocurrency by market cap. Well, all of a sudden now it's slowly moving up, and Link and Polygon, two of my favorite in the top 15 right now. Really like them in the long term. So Link up about 5.5%, 20% the 7-day. I'll tell you what, guys. I mean, everything was on sale, right? There's no question. Everything was on sale, but Link was really on sale. I mean, we might have to go back to the 1 month to kind of see how low this thing got, because, yeah, look at this. So on the 23rd, this thing got down to $16. What was the low in the 30-day low? 30-day low, 1509. So that's the low I'm thinking of. It got down to 15 bucks. Okay. All-time high is already over 50. 52.88. This thing just a few days ago got down to 15 bucks. So this thing was on sale, on big time sale. Was Link the other day. I think Link, I'd be surprised, put it this way, I'd be surprised if Link doesn't get close to $100 by the end of the year. I really feel that strongly about Link. You know, before the crash, I was saying I love Link, you know, under 40, you know, and I would get it under 50. I think it's good under 50, great under 40. So, I mean, this is still, in my opinion, this is still on sale. So, hey, about 20% of you have liked the video. Let's make that like 40%. Let's double those likes. Can we do that? Living the Shiba life. Picked up 7 million more. Mofo, nice. I'm up to 40 million even now. Armand Avery, nice. Hamity, no problem, brother. Thanks for being on stream, man. Let's see. Jeff Koski, 2 months. I bought, 2 forward call options. Okay, yeah. The 2 forward call options. That's nice, man. Yeah, I got to get into options a little bit. Eventually I will. Let's take a look at the news today, just kind of see what's going on in the Google News forum. How about that? Let's go crypto news today, just to kind of see what's going on. Apple looking for crypto experience and alternative payments. Interesting. What's this about? Eric, what's going on? After your NFT video yesterday, I just went out and created my own NFT. Dude, that's awesome. Dude, if I played a small part in creating your first NFT, that's fantastic, man. That's awesome. You got to let me know now what it sells for. Got to let me know how it does for you, man. That's great, Eric. Happy to hear that, man. That's super cool. Intrepid One, so Theta, big name in the NFT space, dude. It's so funny you say that, Intrepid, because I was doing some research on Theta today because I've got to learn what the heck's going on. I'm going to try to invest in some NFT assets here pretty soon. So some of the ones I'm looking at are Theta, Mana, which is Decentraland, Engine, ENG, which is really up today, and OMI. So those four are on my radar, man. It's definitely on my radar. Theta is killing it in the NFT space right now. So got to do a little bit more digging, but eventually I'm going to probably get some Theta. I'm really thinking I'm going to get some Theta, and when I do, I'll create a video then on why I did so. But how about you, in Intrepid? Do you have Theta? Let me know if you have it. Eric, you sure did, man. Thanks, man. Yeah, dude, no problem, man. That's awesome. That's super cool. I hope you kill it. I hope you kill it, man. Continue to bust those things out, and man, hopefully I see you on the top seller list on Rarible one day, right? Which platform did you go with, Eric? If you don't mind me asking, was it Rarible, Mintable, OpenSea? Which one did you go with? Jeff, options are a lot of fun. Definitely need to understand how they work. Yes, for sure. Now, are you more of like a long-term options, or how are the ones that you normally do, Jeff? Eric said Rarible. Nice, man. Nice. Enjoying the show. Oh, no problem, dude. No problem, man. If it's your first time here, Intrepid, welcome, man. Welcome. Glad you're enjoying it. So Apple looking to get into the crypto experience and alternative payments. That's interesting, huh? That'll be interesting. You know, Apple's one of those companies. I own Apple too, and I love Apple. They're pretty boring. You know, they don't do much in terms of you know, they don't make a lot of noise. They don't shake a lot of things up, which is good and bad because I've got a lot of other stocks that kind of fluctuate a lot, like a Tesla, right? That tends to fluctuate. So it's good to kind of balance it out with an Apple stock, which is almost like an ETF in a way. At least it has been recently. But Apple can do so much, like at the snap of a finger if they wanted to. Like, how many companies can Apple just like buy right now? It's the highest market capitalization company in the entire market. Um, and you know they could just buy up all kind of companies if they wanted to. I think eventually Apple does jump into the electronic vehicle space. I know they've been rumored, you know, for years with the Apple Titan car. I know I'm getting off on a tangent here a little bit, but you got to check out this car image. Look at this thing, and then we'll get back to how Apple's going to get involved in crypto here. But the Titan Apple car, Apple Care. How about that? Apple car. And then we'll go images. Check this out. If you guys haven't seen this, and these are like all just kind of like rumors on what this thing would look like. I mean, this is pretty crazy. Like different ideas. This is called, you know, the Titan project. So I think eventually, whether Apple creates their own car or they have the technology, their technology embedded into other cars, like let's say CCIV Lucid, right? It's a luxury brand. Maybe they put Apple technology right in there. That could potentially happen, right? But it's just so interesting to me because they're the highest market cap company on the stock market, and they're so boring. They're just kind of there. But I mean, they had some great earnings recently. I mean, they're a great company to invest in. Over the long term, you're gonna get some nice gains. So I'm definitely a huge fan of Apple. I invest in them. Nice dividends too. Nice dividends. Simon says Theta is the way. Yeah, that's what I'm hearing, man. I'm loading up. Armand, man, I'll tell you what. How about Eng today? Let's look at the NFT space real quick. So Eng, actually, here's what I want to do. I want to go back here and do this, because if we just look at all the assets, there's over 10,000. Look at all the ones that are killing it. These are the ones that are red. Engine Coin, number one, man, on the 24-hour period. Number one, up 39% today on the Engine Coin. So yeah, man. And this one, CHZ, Chile's, this is the one we talked about the other day. It's killing it today, up 14.5%. So Decentraland, Mana, one of my favorites, up almost 9%. So it might end up being, in terms of the ones I get into, Decentraland, Engine, and Theta. But, you know, OMI's also on my radar too, OMI. So OMI is also on my radar. Here's Theta. They're up 4% today. 7 billion market cap already. Yeah, man. It's the NFT. I need to get a piece of the NFT space. I definitely need to get a piece of it, and I'm going to be doing that pretty soon. Pretty soon. And I'll let you guys know when I do. Anthony, what's going on, man? Welcome back to the stream. How you doing, brother? Occasionally we'll pick up a long-term leap. Nice. Yeah, I've heard a lot of people do the long-term leaps, especially if you're like really bullish about like a leader in the industry, right? That's, yeah, like a Neo almost, right? Like in the EV space. The Ford I got for 3 months got out today because it's nearing the 30 days till expiration. Okay, I don't do the time decay under 30 days unless I'm shorting. Okay, gotcha, man. Yeah, I don't do a lot of options trading. I know how it works. I'm probably not as qualified to talk about options as you are, seeing that you do them all the time. I know roughly how they work, but I'm more of a long-term holder, buyer, and then long-term holder of various assets. So, in your opinion, what will be the price of SHI by the end of 2021? I'll tell you what, man. I'd like to get back to all-time highs, and I think if we did that in 2021, I'd be pretty happy with that. So, what was the all-time high? Like that 38 level? I think that would be great, man. Now, can we get higher than that with a couple catalysts, with a couple listings, you know, like a Robinhood or Coinbase? Yeah, I think we could. But I'll take all-time highs again, you know, especially if it means like we consolidate there for a while. That'd be great. I'd be happy with that. Because I'm thinking long term. You know, I'm not thinking how much money can I make in the next 3 months. I'm thinking how much money I can make in the next 3-5 years, right? What else do we got? Oh, so let's go back over here. Sorry, I keep getting sidetracked. So Apple looking to get into the crypto space. Okay, interesting. Apple's payments unit looking for a crypto-savvy biz dev specialist to lead partnership efforts. That's interesting. Now Apple, they tend to do this a lot and then they don't do anything. But we'll see. Kind of like with the Titan car. But they're looking to hire a business development manager with experience in the cryptocurrency industry to lead its alternative payments partnership program. See, this will be great for crypto when big companies like this, we already have big companies doing things like, you know, Tesla owning Bitcoin is great, MicroStrategy and Michael Saylor owning Bitcoin. That's all great. But when we have companies like Apple or Google, these type of companies stepping in and utilizing cryptocurrency for payments, that could be huge. That could be huge. The Apple Wallet's payments and commerce team seeking an experienced business development manager to lead alternative payments partnerships, the company wrote. Okay, interesting. Apple has long maintained an ironclad grip over payments, especially in its App Store, which has never accepted customers' crypto and forces all catalog apps to use Apple's commerce rails and play by Apple's rules. That's true. That is very true. Their tightly controlled ecosystem is the focus of the blockbuster court fight launched by Fortnite developer Epic Games. Interesting. Epic alleges Apple's rules violate antitrust laws and stifle payments innovation. App developers could accept Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, if not for Apple's restrictions, Epic claimed in the suit. Interesting. Epic Gaming, they're out of Virginia. I actually drove by there not too long ago, near Epic Games. Okay. So Apple has no public statements about its plan for the crypto space. The company did not immediately return CoinDesk's calls. Even so, pockets of crypto space seem to be preparing for Apple. Coinbase included Apple Pay graphics in a recent app update. Interesting. How about that? That's an interesting tidbit. So Coinbase may know something about what Apple's plans are in the future. Interesting. Okay. Interesting article there from CoinDesk talking about Apple potentially getting involved in the crypto space. That would be great for all of crypto. That would be great. So welcome in everybody that's new and returners. Hopefully you're having a great day, great night. How's everybody doing? Anybody go on a buying spree today? Today wasn't a great day to buy. It wasn't a terrible day to buy either. Or just a lot of holding today. Anybody add on to any of their assets? Let me know in chat. So let's go back, take a look at some of the other big gainers. Doing well, JRA. What's up, man? Cardano still just trying to fight across that 167, 168 mark. It's always stuck there. It's frustrating sometimes, but it does move past it. And when it does, it tends to move way past it in the short term. Doge, Polkadot down 2.6%. Uniswap up a little over 2%. Litecoin trading pretty flat today. Polygon trending downwards now, down up over 10% to 190. So we'll have to watch Matic here as they're trending down. Still up on the 7-day, and of course, well off those lows that we saw on the 23rd of May. Solana up a little bit today. Ethereum Classic saw a nice big run up, and now they're down 7.5% today. VeChain, one of the assets that I own here, I'm going to talk about it in a video that's going to be released on the channel tomorrow, so be on the lookout for that. The video on VET, some price predictions for 2032 that might be intriguing to you. Theta, one of the ones where I'm thinking of getting into the NFT space, blowing up. Theta is right there in the thick of it. So they're up a little bit today, up almost 10% on the week. Tron down a little bit today. Filecoin as well. Aave, all of these assets right here down just a bit today. Tron, Filecoin, Aave. They're always kind of lingering right here in these mid-20s. Along with EOS, they're up today 5%. Scroll down a little bit. Monero, Neo, down a little bit, 2% and 1%. The DAI coin, which is I use the stable coin quite a bit here, the DAI coin. Over on Coinbase. Shiba Inu, 32 right now on the market cap. Down almost 10% on the day, but consolidating nicely, really. They're not fluctuating as much as they were in the last few weeks, which could be a good sign because, judging by this historical chart, if we do consolidate here for at least a few weeks, at least a couple weeks, we could be ready for our next spike. So that'll be something we're watching. Of course, Kai Green recently, we'll pull this up real quick on Twitter here. Let's open up another Twitter chat here. Let's see. SHIB token continues to add followers on Twitter, which is good. But they've been pretty quiet in terms of information and insight coming out of SHIB token. We haven't heard from them for about 4 days now, so that could be good. Maybe they're working hard on Shiba Swap, right? Let's hope. But so Kai Green the other day had that tweet that came out on Shiba, and he said that he thinks, what's he say here? The only certain thing about crypto industry is that it's uncertain. Be on the pulse, hodl, you'll win every time. Need a new book in my life. Any suggestions? Okay, no. What did you say? PayPal, plans for crypto, third-party wallets for the first time. GameStop, AMC, those were spiking today as well. Let me know if you have those assets. I had a little bit of AMC, so I was pretty happy with that. You guys are out of control. Shiba Army, this is hilarious. Look at this for Kai Green. Nice. Pretty hilarious, huh? So let's see here. Apple Pay. Oh, this is the article that we just went over. Planning to accept cryptocurrency within the next year. So that'll be something to watch. Meek Mill, 8 hours ago. FYI, Meek Mill, Shiba community would never do that to you. I'm sorry, babe, I miss you. What did Meek Mill say here? What did he say here? Must have been something related to his personal life, and then Kai's playing on it with the Shiba community, which is kind of funny. Let's see here. I hold my Sheeb to buy more when it dips. I don't sell it, FYI. There you go. Kai Green giving some more Sheeb press. What else do we got? Where was the actual tweet? Man, he tweets a lot, huh? The actual tweet had something to do with Robinhood. I wonder if he just tweeted anything else. Here it was. Sorry for the confusion. Interesting. May 25th, Robinhood help. So, what does this say here? Sorry for the confusion. Not financial advice, but heard a rumor Robinhood app is picking. Here, here's the original tweet right here, okay? He says, sorry, Robinhood help. Sorry for the confusion. While we're continuing to look into supporting additional cryptocurrencies, we haven't confirmed any plans to list specific new coins at this time. That said, we love the enthusiasm and hearing your ideas. Interesting. What do you guys make of that? Is your platform only for Americans? Okay. Currently, we're available only in the U.S., right? Interesting. Moving forward, we want Sheeb Army. Moving forward, we plan to support the ability to buy and sell other cryptocurrencies. We will be sure to let you know as more become available. Keep in mind that supporting market data for individual cryptocurrencies doesn't necessarily mean we plan to add buying and selling. Interesting. We'll like a few of these, huh? Interesting. Okay. So we dug up some interesting things. Sorry about the confusion. While we're continuing looking to supporting additional cryptocurrencies. So they mentioned this a few different places. Robinhood help. Okay. Just want to make sure they didn't respond to any of these down here. Okay. Interesting. Pretty cool, huh? AMC is dead. Had a nice run up today, though, right? For a little while. AMC to the moon, hedge funds, yeah. Spreading fake BS, selling at 50. Yeah, I know, right? Interesting, though. JGAM 33 picked up 360 AMC at 1520. Interesting, man. Okay. Holding as long as I can keep it together. There you go, man. I don't know how I feel about Sheep. I got into AMC at like $7, and I've been holding it for a while. I don't know how I feel about Sheeb devs being anonymous and secretive. What do y'all think? Yeah, it is kind of sketch, Jake. I agree with you, man. I just want to hear something on the Shiba swap, right? I just feel like we need some kind of news, man. You know? Armand, you're hitting the nail on the head. Our like count is way off, guys. Come on. It takes like 2 seconds to smash the like button. Help me out here with that YouTube algorithm. And I appreciate all of you. I'm super, super grateful for all of you guys being here. Really am. Mark Cuban just bought in big. I doubt it. What did he buy in big? Hold on. What did I miss here? Buying Matic if it hits less than 70. Yeah, I'm with you, Jake. Oh, believe me, I'm watching Matic. Oh, for sure. What's up, Drew? Just held in research. Just holding. Yeah, nice. Yeah, exactly, man. What's up, Drew? Sorry, guys. Going back up in chat, seeing what I missed here. Long term is the goal. Up to 200 million Sheeb now. Let's go. Half penny. Yeah, man, for sure. Definitely. What else do we got? 7 more mil Shiba today. Okay, JR, you're talking about Shiba. Matic is killing it now that Cuban is in. Yeah, man, I love it. I just love that I beat Mark Cuban to something in the crypto space because I've been loving Polygon ever since I read how close they are to Ethereum, how they plan to work with Ethereum 2.0. Then I learned that Vitalik and Sandeep Nawal know each other. I was all in on it, man. Because at that time it was like 88 cents, man. I was like, it was one of the top market caps, still was in like the 30s, you know, something in there. I was like, I'm going to load up on this, man. I believe in this. And ever since then, last few months, man, it's been running up. So been happy about that. If you have not signed the petition to get, yeah, nice mofo. Appreciate you linking that. Talking about Robinhood here. Robinhood Help did respond yesterday morning, actually, to Kai Green's tweet there on the 24th. Jake's buying Matic if it hits down to 70. Yeah, I'm with you. Matic's been on a downtrend here. Let's go check out where we're at with Matic. See where we're at. Yeah, continuing to go down, guys. Down 11%, so selling off a little bit. Man, it was up today. What was this? How high did it get to today? Because I looked at my portfolio at one point today. I tend not to look at it too much, but I did look at it once or twice today, and I saw, yeah, see, it was all the way up at 244 today. That's what I thought. This thing almost set new highs. Because I looked at my Coinbase app and I saw Matic, and I'm like, man, I'm loving that. And I quickly, closed it down, because usually the more I look at it, the more I see it going back down. But I was happy when I looked at it today. So selling off a little bit right now, but again, if you're long term on Matic, you love this, man. This is a buying opportunity, especially if you haven't opened up a position yet. Might be a decent time to. Although, we saw the big sell off the other day, and people got in there at 70 cents, right? 75 cents the other day. So yeah, it was beautiful when that thing was selling off. I was loving it. I was loving it. Let's go back over here. Kay's watching Matic. I know a lot of people. Jake's getting it under 70. A lot of people are loving Matic. So Mark Cuban endorsed it. That's huge. That's big. JGAM got the AMC going. Nice. But yeah, Jake, back to your comment about the SHIB devs being anonymous and secretive. It is pretty sketchy, man. And this is why I didn't dump my entire life savings into this coin, right? It's why I didn't dump my entire savings. Guys, if you're getting some value out of this, smash the like button for me. That'd be awesome. This is something I hold a little amount of. I've got 30 million. I'm cool with that, right? I'm cool with that. I don't need a ton. I just want to be a part of it. I just want to be a small part of it. Right? Mr. 26, yeah, I hear you, brother. Roshan, what's up? Check SafeMoon. Yeah, it's doing pretty well recently. We'll take a look at SafeMoon for you real quick. Let's see here. SafeMoon, let's take a look at that. Did you get it on Mana yet? Not yet, Drew. Planning on it, though, so let's take a look at SafeMoon. I'll get right back to your question there on the NFT space. Let's see here. Take a look at the 1 day on SafeMoon. Okay, selling off right now a little bit, huh? Let's take a look at the 7 day. Trading volume's way down today too. Well, nice little V-shaped recovery here. Nice little V-shape, but it's consolidating, which is good for SafeMoon, honestly, I think. Let's take a look at the 1 month. Down off the highs, obviously. But, I'm not a holder of SafeMoon, but I know a lot of people are, so figured why not talk about it. I'm more of a fan of SHIB myself, just because, you look at market rank 202 versus SHIB 32. I just think 30, that alone. And the community around SHIB is, it runs deep, man. And I also like that Vitalik's involved in it. The India Crypto or COVID Relief Fund is involved in it. You got some celebrities talking a lot about it. Yeah, so SHIB and Doge are the two meme coins, community coins, whatever you want to call them. Those are the two I'm invested in. So, but okay, where did I want to go back to? Oh, the NFT space. That's right. Yeah, so I'm not Drew, not in Mana yet, but I'll tell you what, brother. This weekend I'm going to be buying some NFT assets, and I think where I'm heading is Theta, Engine, ENG, and Mana. I think those are the three I want. I think I want ENG, Mana, and Theta. So let's go look at the NFT assets a little bit here. And there's some other good ones too. Theta, 21 in market cap. I want a piece of this pie. I'm going to be watching this for a couple weeks because, to try to get the best price. Right now it's up. I don't want to buy right now. I want to buy on a red day, but just kind of see how red it needs to get for me to jump in. Engine coin, same thing. I don't want to buy right now, but I want to buy when this thing drops back down because this is up 32% right now, 24-hour period, 40% in the 7-day. So I want Theta, Engine, and this is and Decentraland. How about this? They're all right here. So I'm kind of skipping over CHZ, but CHZ, which I might end up getting that one too. But I don't know, man. I just I'm pretty much sold on Theta and Engine at this point. And then Decentraland has just kind of been close to my heart for a while. I just love the idea. I just think that idea is so cool, and I think it could blow up. So we'll see. I might end up adding all four with CHZ in there too. And I'm also looking at AMI. So where's AMI? Ecom. Yeah. So this is another one that I'm looking at a little bit too. Another one in the NFT space. Singapore pay. So yeah, man. But I'm almost positive. I'm going to go with Theta and ENG and Mana. It's just a matter of when, right? When the price is right. But I'm going to get some money on the sidelines and be ready. Now, what I'll do, guys, I'll let you guys know when I do buy those assets, and then I'll put some videos together on those. I definitely want to get in those soon when the price is right. But what I'll do is, when I get my money together that I want to get into all three of those with, what I'll do is I'll put it in the DAI coin. Okay, so I'll throw it in there. I'll have it in Coinbase. Hopefully, I can get these assets all on Coinbase. I gotta check that as well. But there's other exchanges where I can get the DAI coin too. So, I'll get a stable coin, whether it's the DAI coin or something similar, and I'll just house my money there until I'm ready to buy, until I'm ready to pull the trigger when the price is right. I really like the DAI coin because you earn that 2% APY. You earn those lifetime rewards, and those lifetime rewards one day could have to be turned into Ethereum, right? So it runs on the Ethereum network, does DAI. So I like that because if one day they say, okay, well, all your rewards now have to turn into Ethereum, well, I'm Ethereum bull. I love it. So let's do it, right? So I try to keep most of my rewards that I earn through stable coins through the DAI coin, DAI. Welcome in everybody new to the chat. Getting some new people in here. Make sure you smash the like button. Can we get up over 50 likes? We're 2 likes away from 50. Big 5-0. That'd be awesome. Julio, welcome back, brother. What do you think about RSR? Don't know what it is. What is RSR, Julio? Tell me more. JR, I got 59 Maddox. I made my money back already. Just sitting on gains. Gotta love it, brother. Gotta love Matic, man. One of my favorites, dude. I just love where it's going. Just love where Madic's going, guys. Just love it where it's going. So, hold on real quick. Let me just pull up the channel real quick on the background. So yeah, Polygon, guys, it's still down there, 193. So it bounced off a little bit because it was at 189. So it's bouncing back up a little bit. So if I go over to the channel here, so I made a video on Polygon, and for those of you who've not seen this, make sure you go check this out. Guys, if you're getting some value here, like, subscribe, would mean a lot to me. If you want to, you can drop a super chat too. You don't have to, obviously. That is available though now, the super sticker, super chat. But this video right here, made 5 days ago, massive price prediction for Polygon. If you haven't checked out this video yet, go over and check this out. If you're a Polygon owner and a bull, some really great price predictions. And I get into a little bit how it works with Ethereum. I'll probably create another video again soon and get into more detail with that as to how it relates to Ethereum 2.0 and really why I believe in both of those assets and why they're two of my biggest holdings. no matter what, across crypto and stocks. They're two of my biggest holdings. So, Roshan, check SafeMoon. Okay, we did that for you. We checked SafeMoon. What else do we got here? Ryan, what's up, man? SafeMoon to the moon. Woo! Welcome back, brother. Okay, what else do we got? Armand, appreciate that, brother. De Silva, what's going on, man? Do you think the bull run is over? I don't think so, Jordan. I think we might, we might go back down before we go back up. Do I think Bitcoin could fall back down to 30,000, 28,000 even? Probably. I mean, certainly possible. But I think if that happens, you'll get big money that jumps right back in. You know, you'll get big money that jumps right back in. So, what else do we got? Am I missing? Theta is available on KuCoin, Tether pair. Nice, Simon. Appreciate that. Simon says, thanks for the insight, brother. That's great. Will Shiba go up? Sarma, I hope so. That's the hope, man. I don't have a crystal ball. I wish I did. But I do think Shiba will go up eventually. You know, we're seeing right here that if this trend continues, we consolidate for a little while, we could see another spike, right? But we need some news on Shiba Swap. I mean, let's just call it like we see it. I mean, we need some news on Shiba Swap. We need to know what the heck's going on. You know, they said they were doing the testing a few Mondays ago, right, a couple weeks ago, and it's been quiet. It's been, you know, really too quiet, you know. Or we get something like this happen. We get the Robinhood app to come out and say, hey, we're adding Shiba Inu in, 4 to 6 weeks or whatever. That would be a huge catalyst, right? Is it possible to check new updates on Rarible website? Yeah, we can do that, De Silva. We could look at Rarible. So yeah, here on this stream tonight, we're talking Shiba Inu price forecast, right? Potential catalysts we're still waiting for. NFTs are surging, as well as some EV stocks that I like, some electric vehicle stocks. Armand, was that you? I appreciate the super chat, man. Thank you so much, man. You're awesome, brother. I really appreciate it for your non-financial expert. I like the way you worded that too, brother. Seriously though, man, I really appreciate all your work that you do in chat, and you're awesome, man. Really appreciate you. Thank you, brother. So here you go, De Silva. Check this out, man. We've got some top sellers here today. Floyd Mayweather. Is this really the Floyd Mayweather? No way. It might be. Is this the Floyd Mayweather on Rarible? I think it is. How about that? I think it might be, guys. So Floyd Mayweather Jr. is on Rarible. How about that? He sold 8 ETH today. So what are 8 ETH? What is that worth? What's it at, like 2,700 right now? So he made roughly what, like 20 grand today? Selling NFTs. This guy made 18 ETH today. Interesting. So here's some live auctions going on right now in the NFT space. Hot collections. We could explore the metaverses, right? So this is Decentraland, the metaverse. So check this out, guys. They're selling land. This is all about Decentraland right here. Right? This virtual land. How crazy is this? How crazy is this? Look at this. They're selling virtual land on here. Isn't that insane? That is nuts. That is so wild to me. Let's see what else is going on. How about, what else do we have? Oh, let's do memes. Let's see what memes are selling today. This ought to be interesting. Let's check this out. The meme Martian, okay. Rotten pineapple alert. Look at all these things selling today. Crazy, isn't it? And look what it's selling, guys. It's all ETH. Usually always ETH. Sometimes you'll see Rari, which is Rarible. This is the actual website, their token that they have. You could buy this too, RARI. Interesting, huh? So these are some of the goings on. I know Eric put in chat earlier, Eric K, I believe it is. He created his first NFT after listening to the live stream last night. That is super cool, man. Eric, would you mind sharing with us your NFT? I'd be happy to share it if you want to send it to me on Twitter. It's at Z_Humphreys. If you want to share with me your first NFT that you created, I would be happy to share that with everybody here on stream. Maybe somebody on stream buys it from you. That'd be pretty cool. 20K is like pocket cash for Floyd. Yeah, seriously, right? Definitely is, man. Here's the link. Mofo, thanks for the super chat, brother. Appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. You guys rock, man. You and Armand, you guys just you don't know how grateful I am to have you guys. Really, you guys were here from the beginning. You guys are awesome. Eric, you might not be able to send it in chat. I think you tried to send the link, but if you follow me over on Twitter or are able to send me a message here, it's at Z_Humphreys. If you can get that over to me on Twitter, I'd be happy to pull that up for you, man. Happy to pull that up and share it with everybody on stream. They say Rarible is the eBay of NFTs. Yeah, exactly, man. It really is. It's really user friendly from what I can tell. Somebody was in our chat one night, and he was from he was using Mintable, which is another big one. Sure, no problem, Eric. Yeah, get that over to me if you can on Twitter, and I will share that with you with everybody on stream. Your first NFT that you created. That's super cool. De Silva, yeah, man, that's the plan, right? All of us, let's do it, brother. Darren, buy more Shiba at low. Just buy a few more million. Darren Hetherington, welcome to the stream, brother. I appreciate that. How much Shiba are you holding, Darren? How heavy is that bag? Roshan, will Doge hit $1 per share? Some people were saying that. Oh yeah, man. I think eventually Doge will. I mean, when, that's hard, right? But if you're holding this thing, like I'm holding Doge at least until 2022 now, until that rocket launches. And really, if I sold, it would have to like skyrocket from there, and like I would probably just take some profit, like and like probably keep some too. Like that's kind of where my head's at. Doge is one, I always like to have an exit strategy. I tell you guys that all the time. Doge is one that I wish I had a little bit more of a precise exit strategy, but it's kind of tough when it's a community-based coin, meme coin. So like things like Ethereum, I've got like hard numbers that I want to hit by 2030, right? But with Doge, it's kind of a touch and go because things can fluctuate so much. But I'm for sure holding Doge till 2022, right? 100%. And I think $1 by 2022 is not out of the realm of possibilities. Definitely think it can happen. What else do we got? That's what I said. Let's go. Shiba Inu hold Crypto Logic. Yeah, man. Welcome to the stream, bro. Ali, welcome to the stream, man. Is Boomcoin a scam? I've heard it a little bit. I don't know much about it though, Ali. I'm into Shiba and I'm into Doge and the community-based coins, man. That's my space. That's my domain there. So I know a lot of people ask me about these other ones, up and comers. I try to keep it simple, man. I try to just stay in the know on Shiba, stay in the know on Doge, and of course I like other assets as well too. Whether it be VeChain, which I'll put out a video on VeChain tomorrow. Chainlink. I'm really starting to get into the NFT space. Matic, ADA, love them both, Ali. Bitcoin and Ethereum, that sort of thing. So, and I'm going to get into the NFT space. That's where I'm going next. That's where I'm spending some money next. It's probably going to be ENJ, Engine. Price is going to have to be right, though, because Engine's up right now big. Mana, Decentraland. Kind of kicking myself that I didn't add on, during the dip, but not really because, during the dip I added to Polygon, which I love. I added to Ethereum, which I love. So, and I added to Doge. So, you know, now I'm waiting for the next dip and time to hop on these NFTs, man. I'm getting in that space. And here's the thing, guys. I'm going to dabble into the NFT space. I'm not going to put in as much money as I've put into Ethereum, Polygon, Cardano, um, Ethereum, Bitcoin. I'm going to dabble in all three because it's still so new, right? I don't. It's not that I don't trust it as much as the other ones. It's that it's just so new. There's so much more to learn still for everybody, myself included, right? So I'm going to dabble in these as it relates to like how much money I'm going to put in. Like I'm not going to go in there and put as much money as I've gotten Polygon right now into, Mana, right? I just don't have that high of conviction yet. Maybe someday I will, right? And I'll be right here on YouTube to tell you when I do, right? But someday I might. Joe123, hello from Sydney, Australia. Welcome, brother. Welcome to the stream. Hodl and Sheep, nice. Nice, brother. Dewan Williams, what's going on, man? Holding 225 million sheep, trying to buy my mom a house. I love it, brother. Love the vision. Love the vision. That's it, man. I'm out. Y'all have a great evening. See y'all later. Zach, thank you and peace. No problem, Simon. Thanks again for stopping by the stream. Appreciate you, brother. Take care. Have a great one. Matic to the moon. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Luffy. I'll tell you what, Matic's going to make us all rich, huh? Someday. Someday Matic's going to make us all rich. I got a feeling. Drew, I'm looking at Sandbox Sand as my next NFT. I haven't heard that one, Drew. What's that one about now? Tell me more, brother. I'm intrigued. Ali, Shiba Inu. I know a lot of people talk about it. I don't have it. I know it crossed over $1 billion market cap pretty recently, so that's cool. Here they're going big on advertising in LA on the Memorial Day weekend. That could be the case, man, but I'm not going to buy into all the noise, man. I'm a Shiba Inu holder. I hold 30 million and I keep up on all the news, and that keeps me busy, man. That and Doge and all the other assets. It's one thing to diversify your portfolio, but then you don't want to have a little bit of everything, right? Like you want to have a lot of a little in a way, but you don't want to have like a lot of one thing. Like, for instance, I'll just tally it up, and eventually I'll probably make a video on all the assets I hold and why I hold them. But I'm actually just going to write this down as I say it, so I don't know. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, these are the assets I hold in the crypto space. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon or Polymatic, ADA, Cardano, VeChain, Chainlink, Doge, and Shiba. So how many assets is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8. And ideally I wanted to get into 2 NFTs to have 10, but it's probably going to be 3. So, and that's kind of where I'm going to like cap it off, I think. Like I don't want to get too many things because I want to have 10 to 12 assets that when the price dips, I can add on more, right? I don't want to always open up a new position, right? So that's a delicate balance, and everybody has a different perspective on that. But I do agree that you need to diversify. Diversification is good. How much diversification? That lies in the eyes of the beholder, I guess, right? Eric, Twitter is telling me Z Humphreys can't be messaged. Oh, really? Are you following me, Eric? Maybe that's why. Maybe that's the case, Eric. Maybe you need to follow me first. If you want, Eric, I can go to your Twitter and just find it if you have it posted there, or just like I'm trying to think of another way you can give me that link. Twitter would be the best bet. Let me know if you follow me, and then we could probably do it. Gary, United Kingdom in. What's up, man? What's up, Gary? How you doing, brother? What do you make for this new meme coin? Oh, another one. Katsuki Inu about to launch. I don't know, Gary. I don't know, brother. I'm in Shiba. Check Elon Musk's Twitter. Okay, let's do it. What's he saying? He's always saying something, right? What's he saying? What's Elon saying now? Let's find out. Elon, was it something about Doge or what? All right, let's see. All right, got a notification. Is this Eric? Got you, bro. Now you should be able to message me, and I will definitely show everybody your NFT that you just created, brother. Thanks for the follow, too, man. Tesla just surpassed 200K Powerwall installs globally. Did he say something in his tweets and replies? 2 hours ago. So, hey, Space Twitter, I finished working on Starship. Okay, this is about his other business ventures. Okay. Nothing too interesting right now in terms of the crypto space from Elon. But always interesting. That's for sure, huh? How about his original tweets? And I see, Eric, you probably sent that to me. I'm going to check that out in just a minute, man. If you want to help, Giga Berlin. For those of you guys just coming on, Eric just created his first NFT. We're going to show everybody it on stream. So welcome in if you're new here. Go ahead and smash the like button for me. Let's get over 70 likes. If we get to 70 likes, that would be fantastic. We're right there. We're right on the cusp. We got 68. Okay, so nothing too big. Tesla moving up today was nice. Tesla's had a nice run, nice last 5 days for Tesla and NIO, and the whole EV space coming back a little bit, so that's good. Oh, thanks for the follow, guys. Justice, Carlos, appreciate that, guys. Messages, just making sure I didn't get anything from anybody here. Okay. So let's go back over. Eric, just send me that when you can, brother. That'd be awesome. Still working on it. Can you believe I've created an NFT? That's awesome. Eric K. Okay, that's you on Twitter. Wait, did you post it, Eric? Let me go back over and check you out here. Hold on one sec. So wait, if you posted it, this is you, right? Oh, is this it? Rarible.com. This is it. That's you. Gotcha. So this is Eric's first NFT, ladies and gentlemen. How about this? Eric, you're becoming one of the true OGs too. You're always on stream, man. I appreciate you. Juan, what's going on, man? What's going on? This picture's captivating. There's a lot going on here, but I would like you to study it and arrive at your own conclusion. Stare at it, make it your own. Nice. Frozen in the wind. That's pretty sweet, bro. I love it, Eric. 10% of the sales will go to the creator. Nice. That's awesome, man. You could place a bid or buy. So there you guys go. Eric K in chat. First NFT. Here it is on Rarible. Face of the Inner Torment. Capped with wind blowing. Nice, brother. Hey, man, more power to you. That's awesome. You took the initiative, went and created one for yourself, dude. That's awesome, man. Congratulations. That's great. Or as Armand told Jake, that's great. Tony the Tiger voice. Nice. Drew, the sandbox is a blockchain-based virtual world. Huh. Allowing users to create, build, buy, and sell digital assets in the form of a game. Interesting. By combining the powers of decentralized autonomous organizations. Interesting. A lot of futuristic happenings there. I like it. Interesting, Drew. Appreciate the good insight, man. I'm learning from you guys. That's awesome. I learn something from you guys every single day, so I appreciate that. Number 152 on CoinMarketCap. It's at 33 cents. There you go, Sandbox. So Drew's putting you guys on to another one to check out in the NFT space. I'm going to have to write that one down too. CMC. My thing is, Drew, I only want to get a few to start. And man, I think I might have my list, man. I think it's going to be Theta, ENJ, and Mana. But I'll take a look at Sandbox too. I'll take a look at that. Seen an interview with the CEO of Ripple, and he didn't seem worried at all about the lawsuit coming up, ran through the defense, and honestly sounded like the SEC has a case at all. Doesn't sound like they have a case at all. The fact his lawyers is confident enough to let him speak at all times makes me think they're wiping the floor with this. Yeah, it could be. Could be, Anthony. You could be hitting the nail on the head there. Definitely. Any word on the smart contracts with ADA, Ali? Not that I've seen, but it's coming soon. I know that. That's for sure. In fact, they rolled out some form of the new smart contracts. I don't know if it was in its entirety yet, but this was about a week ago. But love ADA, man. Love the long-term future of ADA. One of my favorites. Arjo Raj, what's up, man? Should I buy the dip? Talking about Sheeb? I'm holding right now, but hey, man, you got to make that decision for yourself. I'm holding right now, though. I'm holding steady with 30 mil. Cheesebone, what's up, man? Broader market appears to be getting chomped by small bear trap at the moment. Yeah, it does seem like that, huh? 4 and 5% down is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yeah, small bear trap. Doge down 6%. Nothing too bad. Link up a little bit. Most things just a little bit red right now. Sheeb down 10, 11%. Oh, they want to do Adobe. We'll do that later. Yeah, so, you know. Oh, come on, Adobe. I'm not ready to do that right now. We're on stream, right? But yeah, everything down a little bit right now. Yeah, nothing major, but, you know, that's okay. What's up, Rickard26? Welcome, brother. What's going on, bro? Bali Song, what's up? How do you feel about SafeMoon and KlueCoin? Nice communities in both of them, especially SafeMoon. I'm not invested in either one. I like Shiba Inu and Doge in the meme/community coin space. That's what I've got to say on that. Shiba Inu to the moon. How much is Civ going? One. I'm holding 1,200 millions of Shiba and a ton of Kishu. There you go, Juan. Eric Chavez, welcome back to the stream, brother. Look up Crypto High on Twitter. It shows Ether scan of Shiba Swap and all tokens. Okay, we'll take a look at that. Oh, guys, this is Eric's first NFT, by the way. Quick more plug. One more plug for Eric. Super cool. One of the guys that's always in here, in chat, created his first NFT after the stream last night. So I think I had a small part in motivating him to create his first NFT. So that's awesome, bro. Okay, let's check out Crypto High on Twitter. Eric Chavez says, okay, let's do it. Crypto High, huh? This one here. Shiba Inu NFT 2.0 now live on OpenSea. There you go. So he's got a Shiba Inu NFT. How about that? Current SHIB holders 1 minute ago. How about that? That's a nice one. 442,000 of us. That's pretty sweet. Awesome, Eric. I'm happy to hear that, brother. And your first Twitter account. Love it. Love to see it, man. Ali, bonfire to the moon. Hopefully, LOL. You know, I love Twitter, Eric. It's always been my favorite. I tend to stay out of the drama, and you can get into some drama on the other platforms if you know what I mean. What else do we got here? Sean, welcome to the stream, man. Guys, we're closing in on 100 likes. Closing in. We need 23. We need 23 more likes to get to 100. That would be super dope. Christian, I bought Shiba for 3,000. Now it's only 1,000. It's going to the underground and dig his grave. Christian, you got to hold, man. Got to hold strong, brother. Just got to, you know, be patient. Be patient. What else do we got? Cam, SafeMoon isn't a meme coin. Okay, fair enough. I categorized it as that, but fair enough. Roshan, what do you think will be the next Doge? Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu someday, right? That's what I'm thinking. That's why I invest in it. That's why I've got 30 mil. The Truth Trill, what's up? Buy and hold, brother. Buy and hold, yes sir. Respect, man. That's all. That's what it's all about. Vubi, I bought. Man, you got a ton of them, man. Huh? 1 trillion, 500 billion. There you go, Vubi. Welcome to the stream, man. Bubbles, Bubbles Pleasant. Hello, everybody. Hey, how you doing, Bubbles? Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Chavez, appreciate you putting me on here to Crypto High. Appreciate that, man. So, what tweet am I looking for on Crypto High in particular? Current SHIB holders, 442. Just came out with that tweet a second ago. SHIB and Robinhood is inevitable. Man, I hope so. I hope so. All right, let's respond to this one. We'll do like this. A little play on words there. Self-evident. Shiba Swap. Okay, is this what you're talking about here? Proof of testing. Gotcha. Okay, update. Admin Ray said Shiba Swap is user-friendly and the test went well. So let's see here what they're saying. How swap test went for you? Did you like the design? Loved it. Super user-friendly. Loved it. Can't wait. Okay, interesting. Now, again, we don't know if this is 100% accurate, but we're trying to just scan and scour anything we can and hopefully come up with some answers, right? Etherscan. Interesting. Well, I'll tell you what, if it's worth anything, they've been super quiet on Twitter for like the past 3-4 days. So hopefully that means they're working hard on Shiba Swap and we get some news on this soon, man. Because I would just love to see what this thing looks like. Crypto's here to stay. Some updates from Rob. So current SHIB holders 9 hours ago was 440,000. How about this? I'll make y'all into NFTs when SHIB hits 0.001. It's all the fudders. 440,000 9 hours ago. So where have we come in 9 hours? 442. So a few thousand, a couple thousand new SHIB holders in the last 9 hours. So that's nice. That's nice to see. Shiba Inu NFT. Let's take a look at this actually. On OpenSea. It's pretty cool. So there you go. SHIB, leash, bone. It's interactive too, huh? Look at that. What do you guys think about that thing? Pretty cool. Not bad at all, huh? Interesting. Interesting. Wonder how many he got of these. Oh, he's got 500 of these. Okay. Is anybody getting them? Let's see. So he has sold a few, huh? There you go. Interesting. Cool. So this was a tweet from Kai Green the other night. Robinhood Help did respond. Man, it would have probably broke the internet if Robinhood Help would have came back with a tweet that said Shiba Swap to debut June 1st or something crazy, right? Man, and who knows? I mean, as long as SHIB can stay in the news throughout the rest of this year, you know, maybe it's late 2021, you know, October, November, and we're still signing petitions and pressing the envelope, pushing forward. You know, we get to 1 million followers on Twitter and people are still talking about Shiba Inu. I mean, I think it's, you know, at that point, I mean, could Robinhood lose by adding the asset? I mean, I don't think so. I don't think they could. I mean, it just seems like a match made in heaven, too. All right, what else? A token called MILF was launched yesterday, NFT. It's being promoted by YouTuber Jake Paul. Collect characters, crazy concept. Check it out, and the talk is good. Gary, I haven't seen that, man. Token called MILF. MILF token? MILF token, Jake Paul. Let's check it out. Talking about Floyd. Logan Paul and Jake Paul, man. It's kind of crazy how they've created a name for themselves, and they've kind of reinvented and recreated themselves multiple times, which is pretty nuts. I'll have to look into this a little bit more because I'm a little bit all over the place trying to find MILF coin right now, but I'll look more into this, Gary. I appreciate that, though. What else we got? What else do we got here? Shiba price. Someone who bought $17 now is at 7 million. Google it. Shiba rocks. Man, they had to get in way early, Ali. They had to get in way early, huh? You sound like Danny Mullen. Who's Danny Mullen? Kyler, welcome to the stream, though, brother. Danny Mullen. Who's that? Should I know who this person is? Danny Mullen? Who's Danny Mullen? Let's look up Danny Mullen. Danny Mullen going once. Who's Danny Mullen? Oh, he's on YouTube? Okay. He's a soccer player, right? Okay. This guy, Danny Mullen? Scottish professional football player? Well, whoever Danny Mullen is, that's pretty cool. Him and I have the same voice. That's kind of cool, Kyler. I do radio and TV, so there's been a few of you who said, like, you sound like you do radio or something like. I have done radio before and TV. So here, I'll give you a little preview. I was a sports broadcaster, still do a bunch of broadcasting. So I'm a big LeBron fan. So you ready for this? LeBron into the forecourt, across the timeline, kicks it over to Kyrie Irving. Irving, top side, kicks it over to. Okay, that's all you get. Just a little bit. LeBron fires for 3 and hits. LeBron's got 28 to go along with 12 rebounds. There you go. So some people are saying, "Oh, you got a radio voice." I appreciate that, and I do some sports broadcasting. So Juan Garcia. So I have to spend 100. Nice. Jake, these YouTubers have a lot of influence. I don't know about MILFcoin, but just on hype, it could be big. Dude, that's the thing, Jake. So much of it is hype now, man. The internet is a powerful tool, brother. I mean, you could just go on there. I mean, look at Doge, right? It's crazy, man. 100%. Justin Fry, welcome to the stream, bro. Can you do a video on StarPup? StarPup, the dev team is super transparent and involved. They seem to have a great plan for the coin, and it helps pups. Would love to hear your thoughts. I'll take a look at it, Justin. I tend to do a lot of updates on Shiba Inu because I myself hold it. I myself believe in it. That one and Doge. I am going to be doing some more videos coming up on some other assets, though. So VeChain, price predictions, and talking a lot more about VeChain, VET, which is over here on CoinMarketCap. Was sitting in the 20th spot earlier on stream, and yeah, they're still number 20. So I will have a video on VeChain tomorrow. That'll come out tomorrow. And Chainlink price prediction, talking about Link. I'll have another video on them coming out soon. And then on Saturday, I'm going to be talking about Ethereum 2.0. So I got a video coming out on Saturday on Ethereum 2.0, why I'm staking my ETH now over on Coinbase, which I just did that about a week ago. And I'm earning up to 6% interest, APY, on my ETH right now as it's being staked. And what all that means, why I did it, the risks, the rewards. I get into all of that in this crash course. It's only about a 7 or 8 minute video, but I think it's super action packed. So make sure you look out for that one on Saturday too. So what else do we got? Super bad. Thanks. Super bad. The movie, The Truth Trail. Kyler, sports announcer. Oh, he is a sports announcer too? Well, if that's the case, that makes sense. Danny Mullen, there he is. Okay, Carlos, MILF Coin. Man, a lot of people are talking about this. Carlos, welcome to the stream. Don't know anything about MILF Coin, bro. But I don't know. I guess I'll have to look into it a little bit off stream and see what the heck's going on with Jake Paul and MILF Coin. 6 more likes to 100. Yeah, now 4 more. So that's easy, right, mofo? Come on now. Dragon Lungs. Be one of those 4 people who smashed the like button, brother. Shiba Army Strong. I'm with you, man. Anthony, Eric K, you know, have a follower. Yeah, I suppose it's a small price. Nice, man. You have a follower now on Twitter. Nice. There you go, brother. Juan Garcia, Shiba Army, always hold your Shibas. It will reach a better price. Even we surely can reach at least 2 more cents. I'm not selling diamond hands. Yes. Yes, Juan. Yes. Captain Crunch, is Dogecoin pretty much dead? Nah, man. Nah. Not at all. Not at all, bro. Dude, it's the number 7 market cap. How can this be dead? Dude, this is just getting started, in my opinion. You've got Elon Musk, the richest person in the world with arguably the most influence in the world in the crypto space. Dude, this is just getting started. I bought Doge on the dip, man. I'm in on it. Now, if you'd have asked me that 5-6 months ago, I would have been in a whole different place. But where we stand now, yeah, man, I'm a believer. I'm in. I don't think we're dead at all. Thanks, mofo. Appreciate you, brother. Don't trust these new meme coins going 1,000 X YouTube videos. Most of them are BS. Yeah, you know, Ali, I talk about Shiba Inu a lot, and I know there's a lot of people out there who, you know, try to clickbait people with the titles, and, you know, I try to make them exciting, the titles and things, but I don't come on and say, like, you know, it's going on Coinbase or, you know, I mean, if I find something out like that, I will definitely put out a video like that. But I do talk about anything like that's potential. So, like, you know, things like this, like Mark Jansen, one of our followers here on the stream, you know, he sent me this. I think this is interesting. You know, this is talking about the various trends of SHIB that's gone through. Kai Green tweeting at Robinhood and Robinhood responding. Like, I'll report on that stuff. Like, that stuff's cool. But I'm not going to come on and say, like, you know, it's going to happen, right? Because that wouldn't be fair, right? Like, I want to be as fair as I can and be informational, right? When it comes to things like that. So, Martin McGrath, in theory, should all these coins not double bottom if they have not? What do you mean all these coins? Like every asset? What do you mean, Marty? But welcome to the stream, regardless, brother. Jeff, MILF is on CoinMarketCap. Is on CoinMarketCap's site? No way. All right, let's see. So this, oh, there it is, MILF token. So here we go. MILF token number 2576. Just taking a minute to load up. So, oh man, this thing is really new. So this thing was way up here, sold off, and then now popping a little bit. Interesting. Stored on the Ethereum blockchain. So it's an NFT. It's in the NFT space. All right, I'll have to look at it more because things like this could go parabolic, as crazy as it sounds, you know. Shiba Inu has bought moving in less than a month, has been moving in less than a month. Just bought on the dips, now holding to the moon. Future Media Pro, like it, brother. Welcome to the stream too, man. Welcome to the stream. Okay, guys. Let's see what else is going on. Gary Woodgate, welcome, brother. Shiba Inu to the moon, yes, sir. Hayden, what's the difference between Wbtc, Wbtc, and BTC? So Wbtc is basically running on the Ethereum blockchain, and Bitcoin runs on its own, but it essentially runs parallel with BTC. So if we go to Wbtc, if you come down here, you'll see It's the tokenized version of Bitcoin that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. That's really the only difference. It's just a tokenized version of Bitcoin. It's usually the same exact price, always actually. But I would just rather have Bitcoin. Because, I mean, if you're going to get one, you know what I mean? It just makes more sense to get the Bitcoin. Good question, though. Bubbles, welcome. Thanks for joining us. Smash the like button. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Anybody here that's just joining us, appreciate you, stepping on stream and hanging out with us tonight. Building a really cool community. And Armand will tell you that, he was here from the beginning. We only had a few people on stream. Now we're getting a few hundred, couple hundred every time we come on here, and super cool. So just hanging out, talking crypto, talking stocks, NFTs, Shiba Inu price, some other ones we like, Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum. If you're getting some value tonight, first timer, make sure you like, subscribe. Definitely come back and check out some of the old videos too that I've put out there. That would be awesome. So I just put out this one a little bit ago. Will Ethereum overtake Bitcoin? I think it's fascinating. I think it's the flippening theory is interesting. So check that one out. Of course, if you're into Cardano, I've got some ones on Polygon, Cardano, Ethereum price predictions. Bunch of them on Sheeb as well. Bunch of the former past live streams too. I'm learning a ton from other people too. So you can go back on these live streams that we did a few weeks ago and really learn a lot from a bunch of people in stream and maybe a few things I throw in there too. So here's Cardano price prediction, Doge and Elon. So yeah, a lot of cool stuff. Just getting started too. So we're just getting the ball rolling on the channel, and so happy everybody's a part of this. So super cool, having a lot of fun. So we did talk about this earlier, Shiba Inu and VeChain, both primed for a nice breakout. So we'll have to see if that takes place. We'll be watching these closely. Really for Sheeb, guys, I'd be happy if this just continues to consolidate, stay flat, because, we were looking at, this here, and there's a good chance if we get some good consolidation for a couple weeks that could get that next spike. So that would be perfect. Carlos, Zach, you could check MILF and CoinMarketCap. Yeah, I did, Carlos. Appreciate that, man. Captain Crunch, thanks for your response, man. No problem, man. Try to get to everybody in chat. If I miss something in chat, just put it back in there. I'll probably see it on the next go around too. Bitcoin had to look at the yearly chart to figure out a guesstimate bottom. Yeah, Marty, I actually talked about that recently. Bitcoin's been up a little over 300% on the year. How about Ethereum though? Up 216% over the last year. So pretty crazy. You got 100 plus likes. Yes, Stay Silva, we did finally, huh? Now we got to go for 125. Can we go for 125 likes? Anybody new want to join the team? All you got to do is smash the like button. Of course, you guys can do super chats, super stickers. If you can, that's another way to support the channel, support what we're doing here. But really, all I ask for is just smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. That'd be great. Shiba Inu has been moving in less than a month. Just bought the dips. Future Media, got that. Cool. What else do we got? Marty McGrath, Sheep going to 714 gap fill, in my honest opinion. Yeah, man, it's looking good right now. It's looking good with the consolidation happening right now, where we came back from the crash. Looks nice. I mean, we just need a catalyst, really. I think whether it be Shiba Swap or something like an exchange, or I think the one we're really waiting on is Shiba Swap, because we know it's here or about to be here. We just need to see it and feel it and see what it looks like. Malik, get the feeling Sheeb isn't going to do anything again until next year. Maybe not. Maybe not, Malik. I'll be holding it, though. I'll be holding it, brother. Anthony Maddock looks like it's on the climb again, hoping for $3 by the end of today. Man, you're bullish. $3 on Maddock by the end of the day? That would be nice. It is getting bullish again, though. Back up over $2, huh? I like it. I like it. Ali, is EOS any good? Will it go up? EOS is a good one. I don't know if I can get there right now on EOS because I'm just liking so many other ones. Vubi, appreciate the super chat, man. My prediction for February 2022 is 0.0025. What's yours? I like that prediction a lot, actually. I'd actually probably be right there with you, Vubi. I think that's a great price prediction. I'd be happy with that. I would be super happy with that. August, welcome to the stream. What do you think about Safe Moon? I like it, man, but I don't hold it. Wilter Singer, what about BTT? What do you think about it? Same thing, Wilter. Welcome to the stream. I don't hold it, but I do like it, and it's growing in popularity right now. BTT. Gary, having bought 10 million Shiba tonight, I joined the Shiba tribe. Nice, Gary. What do you think the best price we can hope for before this bull cycle ends? Do you agree we have 5-6 months left in this bull cycle? I do agree that we have 5-6 months left in the bull cycle. I'm holding it for the long term. So in this bull cycle, I would like to get back to all-time highs. I think that would be a win, in my opinion. Easy Money, what's up? Welcome back. Shiba. Let's see here. A-Run KP 1234. Will there be any negative impact as it's a meme coin? Well, there's always that possibility, right? Sure, but I think there's been a lot of positive influence. I think the community's been overwhelmingly positive. Wearable tax on a 2.5% fee, and I think that's it. Eric K dropping knowledge about NFTs now. I love it, man. Eric K created his first NFT tonight, guys. So if you're new to the stream, we were talking a lot about NFTs last night, and our friend Eric here, who's pretty much always with us on stream, created his first NFT. So go check it out. Here it is on Rarible. Go check him out over there. So there you go. Probably the first of many, right, Eric, of NFTs that you're creating? It's awesome, man. Happy for you. My prediction, okay. Crecept, nice, man. Nice prediction. I like it. Mofo, I'll see you, man. Thanks for all you do, man. Appreciate you. Really do. Take care. Got to run and walk the dog. Hey, man. I understand. Got to stay fit. I'm with you. What else do we got here? Love Vet. How can it be this cheap? Yeah, Marty. I know, man. I like Vet too. 20th in the market cap. They've got some big plans. I don't want to give it all away because I'm creating a video on it and it's coming out tomorrow. So make sure you check that out. But dude, they've got a lot of things going for them. So yeah, I hold VeChain. I'm pretty comfortable with where I'm at, where I bought in. So I'm going to be holding for a while, I think, unless the price dips back down there, which you'll see. I think I mentioned that in my video tomorrow in terms of where I got in. So I got in pretty early, beginning of the year. So I'm comfortable with that. I'm going to hold. And, that's one where I hope, hopefully I look up in 2025 and see a lot of green, brother. That is the plan. That is the plan. What else do we got? Roshan, are you keeping Shiba? Yeah, man. Definitely. I'm holding. I am holding. That's another one. I'm pretty comfortable with how much I have. Wish I would have got in at a cheaper price, but a lot of us can say that, but that's okay. Still happy with it, and yeah, I'm holding. Let's see here. 10 more likes to 125, guys. Who's gonna help me get there? Who's gonna be the 10 likes that gets us to 125? Fubi, I appreciate that super chat, man. Thank you. August, thank you. No problem, man. No problem, bro. Roshan, we all hope Safe Moon or Shiba going and hits the sky. Yes, no doubt, bro. Hayden, I think she will be 0.0005 by October. Okay. I like it. I like it, Hayden. We hope Safe Moon or Shiba going to hit the sky. Well, I think most of us hope Shiba. Some of us Safe Moon too. We'll see how. Thanks, Zach. No problem, Eric. No problem, man. Well said, community. A-Run KP, yeah, man. We got a nice growing community here, definitely. Easy money. We just need to burn more coins, and eventually we will, especially with the Shiba swap coming out. To be patient, everyone. This is the next Doge. Just got to be patient. Doge was made in 2013. Very good perspective there, Easy Money. Very good perspective. Be patient. Just got to hold. The best thing you could do is to forget that you bought it. So I tell people all the time, just delete the app. So you can't look at it. Keep your emotions in check. But yeah, I'm with you, Easy. I'm with you, bro. I think you nailed it with that. I think you nailed it. Seth, I've got 27 million Shiba at the moment. How much do you think that would be worth next year? Or the price production for next year? I've got 30 mil, Seth, so I'm right there with you. I don't know how much it'll be worth, but I'm going to hold it, and we're going to find out together, brother. How about that? How about that? Doing a great job. Thanks, bro. No problem, A-Run. Thanks for the kind words, man. Appreciate you. Live, thinking of buying an extra 6 to 7 mil because I bought during its peak back when the average is triple the current. I think it's a good idea. That's on you, man. I'm not going to tell you what to do, but if you believe in it, you're going to hold for the long term. You know, not a bad move. Not a bad move. Hey, do you think the Robinhood IPO for the figs is a good buy? It's beginning listed at $20. Sure. That's a pretty decent buy, I think, Hayden. I don't really like to get right at the IPO price though, especially recently, man. There's been just a lot that kind of boom and then bust, and then you can kind of get in right there. Like look at Coinbase, man. Coinbase, like a lot of people bought in right at the IPO, and then now look, you could have got in the 290s. Would have been. I think it was traded around there today or yesterday. So, but that's on you, man. I mean, you got to make that call. But I don't prefer to get in right at the IPO. I like to kind of wait a little while just to kind of see what happens. Rick Lacey got 30 mil and 18K Doge, hella up. Nice. Nice. Bali Song, 63 million sheep. Think I can make a mil off that ever? Hey, man, who knows? Who knows? That's a lot. That's a good amount. That's a good amount, bro. I hope we all do it. I hope we all do, man. Eric K. Zach, if you had the chance to look at ICP, not yet, man. I know Internet Computer. I need to, man. I need to check it out. I'll tell you what. To be honest, man, I right now I'm in my hometown. My sister's getting married pretty soon, so I've been here, hanging out with family and friends quite a bit. Once I get back to where I'm currently living, and I get back into my routine a little bit, where I could start, digging my heels in, and doing a little bit more research, and probably creating even more content than I'm creating right now. That's the plan. I'll be ready for an update, Eric. Okay, I'll come back on you on this channel and talk more about it, because right now just need to spend some time with family and friends. Haven't seen anybody in a while, so that's important too. Roshan, if you delete the app, some way you hit so high, it would be so bad. I don't think that's a good idea. That's true. I mean, if you delete the app and you can't get the app back on your phone, what price would you sell at? I think I mentioned this on stream. This is kind of what I was thinking about it. So if I get to the point where I'm up, like profit $100,000 on sheep, let's just say one day, and I don't know what the price would have to hit, but this is my number in my head. If I get up to $100,000, I'd take a little bit off the top. I'd probably take 20 or 30K off the top, and then I'd let the rest roll, just so I lock in a little bit of something. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Enjoy the wedding. Maybe find yourself a drunk price. There you go, Eric. Anthony, you see Charlie bit my finger video? Dude, how about that? They turned it into an NFT. Anthony sold over 700K. Absolutely insane. I actually talked about that in one of my videos, I think yesterday. I was talking about NFTs. Crazy, man. Let me pull that up real quick for everybody. Crazy. I did see this yesterday. Freaking wild, man. There you go. They took it off YouTube. Had nearly 900 million views on the platform since 2007. But now one bidder owns it as a non-fungible token. Look at that. How crazy is that, man? It's insane. That is insane. Hayden, what do you think about? I gotta look at that one, Hayden. Don't know much about it, brother. Do you stake your coins? If so, which ones and where? Right now, I'm staking ETH. My next plan, though, is to stake Cardano. But right now, I'm just staking ETH, and I'm staking my ETH on Coinbase. And you're welcome. You're welcome for that. No problem. Wow, guys, over 2 hours. That like flew by, man. I just looked up, realized I was on stream for 2 hours and 6 minutes. That's crazy. Had no idea, man. Marty, liked and subscribe. What do you think of WTC? What is WTC? Appreciate that you like and subscribe. For those of you who are not like Marty, be more like Marty. Let's see. WTC, and then we're going to get up on out of here, guys. I got to get some sleep. Walton Chain. What do we got here? What is this? Eric, haven't decided yet. Not 100% sure. Any suggestions? I know there's quite a few places to do it, but I'm looking to do that soon. Building an ecosystem. Oh, okay. They're going through the Internet of Things. Okay. Interesting. This translates to enhanced operational efficiency, especially for supply chain use cases, such as high-end clothing identification, food and drug traceability, and logistics tracking. I like the idea. I like what they're doing. Currently ranked 416. Okay. They're way down right now off their main high, huh? Wow, they skyrocketed back in 2018. Down to 86 cents. So Walton Chain, interesting. I'll have to take a look closer at this, Marty. But thanks for putting us on this one, man. Interesting. If it ever gets back to that price there, huh? Just buy and hold, wait till it get back to all-time highs. But I'd have to do some more digging here. All-time high is 45.96. Nice. That would be nice, huh? Off this price, that'd be super nice. Sam's sake, dang, she was down. Yeah, right now, but you know what? We're holding, man. We're holding. All right, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up from here. Thanks again, man. Everybody, thanks again, everybody, for hanging out. It's been super dope as always. Everybody just hanging out, chilling, learning from everybody, sharing some knowledge. Thanks again. Very grateful for all of you guys. On your way out the door, make sure you like, subscribe. That's all I ask. Thanks to all the mods, Mofo, Armand. You guys are the true OGs. Appreciate you. See you guys. Yeah, thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you all. Y'all have a great one. Have a great night, great day, wherever you are, and get out there and kill it. Let's win together. Let's keep growing and keep learning from each other. So, guys, I'll see you in the next one. I'll be back tomorrow with a couple videos, and don't forget that VeChain video is coming out tomorrow. So check that out. And all right, guys, I will see you soon. See you in the next one. Thanks again for all the super chats. Appreciate you. Roshan, next live. I've been doing it just about every night. There's going to be a few nights this weekend where I'm not going to be able to do it, but I will have videos posted, okay? There will be a few nights where I won't be able to be on live, but once I get back to my my regular routine in June, I'm going to continue to try to do it every night. And then eventually I'll have a schedule set up for us, that you can go and check and try to stick to that. So right now I'm just trying to build a community, man. So I appreciate you being a part of it. All right, guys. See y'all. Thanks, Armand.